In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to fix Spotify when it keeps on pausing. So let's get started. Now the first fix is to check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data if you're on a mobile, and restart your router if needed. Then the next thing is to restart the app and device. So first of all, go ahead and completely quit. So just go ahead and click quit. And then you have to restart your phone, tablet, or computer. Then reopen Spotify and see if it works. The next thing is to make sure your app is the latest version. Now on mobile, update via Google Play or App Store on iPhone. Now, if you're on a desktop or a Windows, you go to Spotify, then go to Help, and then you'll have to click on About Spotify to check for updates. And if you're on a Mac, go to Spotify, click on About Spotify, and you should see whether it's the latest version here. If it's not, you will see an update option, yeah? Then, check battery and data settings. Now on mobile, some phones pause apps to save battery, so check that Spotify is allowed to run in the background. Ensure Spotify can use mobile data in your phone settings. Then the next thing is to clear cache. Now if you're on a desktop, just go ahead here, go to settings, and scroll all the way down, and you should see this option here of clear cache. Just go ahead and click on it and clear. That's perfect. It should go back all the way down to 3 MB because I think that's the minimum. Now, if you're on a phone, you'll have to go to settings, storage, and then Spotify, and then clear cache from there. The next thing is to log out from every device, because sometimes Spotify pauses because another device is controlling the playback. So now to do this, just go ahead, click on your profile, and then click on account. So account right there. Now once you're here, you'll have to scroll down. Let me just go ahead and translate the page. So just scroll down until you see this option of sign out anywhere. Just go ahead, click this option, and you're good to go. Now it'll be only your device which is signed in, okay? Then the next fix is to reinstall Spotify. So uninstall the app completely, then restart your device and reinstall the latest version of Spotify. Then you have to check for Bluetooth or hardware issues. Now if you're using Bluetooth speakers or headphones, try connecting directly to devices and test with another headset or another AirPods to see if the issue is not with your AirPods. So that's basically all the fixes we've gone over, and that should fix your issue. If it still doesn't fix, I'll recommend trying another device. So maybe the issue is with your device or something, but that should fix your issue. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.